I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the needle, presser foot, and throat plate so you can work safely and clearly. Once done, consult the machine manual for model-specific timing marks and acceptable tolerances because small differences matter. Then slowly rotate the hand wheel to bring the needle to the top dead center of its stroke. Make sure you can see the cam, hook, or timing marks. This lets you establish a repeatable reference point before adjusting any components. Now focus on the relationship between the needle and the hook or shuttle. With the needle at top dead center, position the hook so its point will catch the thread loop just after the needle begins to descend. This is critical for stitch formation. Loosen the hook drive screws only enough to make micro adjustments. You do not want parts to shift unexpectedly. Use a feeler gauge or a fine visual marker to set clearance around 0.5 to 1 millimeter. This reduces skipped stitches and timing drift. Finish by reassembling the throat plate and needle, then run slow stitch tests on scrap fabric varying speed to ensure consistent loop catching. If you still get skipped stitches or thread nests, stop and recheck alignment and hook-to-needle clearance. Small rotation or lateral shifts fix most issues. Once stitches form reliably, tighten the drive screws to specification and apply lubrication where the manual recommends to stabilize timing. Troubleshooting tip: if timing shifts under load, inspect worn bearings or cam faces. Replace them to restore accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.